Hi, in today's fast paced world, agility isn't just a buzzword, it's a business advantage. Join our masterclass on Agile project management using Trello and Jira and learn how to plan, execute, and deliver projects the Agile way. In just 2 practical sessions, you'll gain hands on experience creating user stories, building sprint plans, managing backlogs, and tracking progress using real industry tools, Trello and Jira. My name is Dr. Vivian Abona, a certified project and procurement manager with over 20 years' experience helping teams deliver excellence through structure, strategy, and agility. And of course, I will be facilitating. Whether you're a beginner or a professional seeking to sharpen your edge, this workshop will turn your planning into action and action into measurable results. Brought to you by Accelerate, empowering teams, enabling agility, and delivering impact. Register today and start leading Agile projects with confidence. See you soon.